Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day. I'm back on behalf of Easy Profit 100, guys. The site is fully functional. It has a full facelift right now. So I just want to come back and show you the full effect of the results of this page being changed. I was talking to you guys as they were going through the process because, people still could sign up. A lot of people didn't think they could sign up, but you still could sign up. But at any rate, it's fully functional. So you're here because you're looking for a way to make some extra income from home. And that's how you end up landing on my page. Okay. I am a full-time affiliate marketer. Okay. I work from home. And my channel actually shows you how to market online, how to become an affiliate marketer, promoting other people's products and services and being able to receive a commission for that, simply referring others to a product or service. That's affiliate marketing. I don't recruit people. I'm not in network marketing or any of that. When I promote something and someone purchases a product or service, I get paid for that service. Okay. That's how this works. So anyway, that's probably how you ended up on my channel, because you're looking for a way to make money from home. Okay. So Easy Profit 100 is a direct mail program. Okay. That's how it was designed initially 7 years ago, for a way for you to just simply mail postcards and receive a commission of $100 every time you were able to refer somebody by simply mailing your postcard. They receive the card in the mail and they decided to join you. Okay. And the company pays every week. I've been an affiliate for them for 3 years, pretty much part-time, because I always have other opportunities that I'm working. Okay. So for 3 years solid, I've been promoting this company. Okay. And they're still here and I'm still here. So anyway, I just want to come to you today with an update. Okay. For Easy Profit 100. That's my Facebook page, so you know you're talking to me. Okay. So here is the new design, guys. Easy Profit 100. It looks really, really good. And it's going to flip over here. Well, let's see if I can move it. Okay. These pages are actually, they're moving slowly. It's going to circulate. There you go. So if you remember what the old page looks like, this is 10 times better. I like the way it looks. So I'm just going to scroll down just a little bit so you can see it. A simple business, guys. It's really a hands-off business. If you mail the postcards, you don't ever have to talk to anybody, because the postcard is going to have your username on it. So when you mail the cards and they go out, there will be a website on there with your link. If someone has a computer, they can join that way. If they do not have a computer, they would mail the postcard back in to the return address on there. And the company will then, in turn, send them some information so they can make a decision if they want to join or not. And the company will take all the calls and answer the questions if someone has questions. Okay? But if someone receives your card in the mail and they have a computer, they will simply go to the website that's on the card, which is this site right here you're looking at, but it will be tied to you because it'll have your username on there. Okay. So it's hands-free. If you mail the cards, they will do all the selling and telling for you. They will mail out the welcome kit, what comes with that when you join, for $149 one time, no monthly fees. You're going to get 120 leads that you can put on your postcards, names and addresses of people that's interested in making money from home. Okay. So that's what you'll get. You'll get a website like this. As you can see, it's new, it's fresh. You get a back office so you can track your sales, so you'll know what's going on in your business. You'll get the name and the email and phone number of the person that joined you. The company also sends an email every time, an email notification. Every time someone signs up with you, you will be notified via email. So you can get the emails and you can log in your back office and track your sales. Okay. So here's a video that the owner has put together, an overview. Art Raven, he created this program. You can watch it right here. It will explain it. You can join here. I like how he's put these new buttons in here. Everything is bigger and it stands out. So you click the join now button. I'll show you that in a second. And as it states right here, what are you going to receive in your packet? A CD from Art. He's a recording artist, a Christian CD, 120 leads, and this marketing website. All for $149, guys. It's really a steal to be able to flip $100 bills over and over and over and over. Okay, because pretty much you get your money back minus the $49 on your first sale. The first sale goes to you. The second sale passes up. The third sale goes to you. The fourth sale passes up. This is a reverse two-up system. Everybody passes up their second and fourth sale. So your first sale, you get $100. So you get 100 of the $149 you spent back. Okay, so and that's what it says right here, the comp plan. But it's real. This can get really deep. The level of money that you can make with it. It's no levels here, as far as like a multi-level marketing program. It's just all horizontal, and you know. The death of the second and the fourth sales is where that leverage comes in, because everybody has to pass up their second and fourth. So when your two people are passed up to you, those two people still have to pass you up their second and fourth. And then when those two people pass up their two, they have to pass you up their second and fourth. And that just keeps going on and on to infinity. Okay, it's the power of two. All right, and that's what it explains right here. Very easy. If you're looking for something, a home-based business and a way to make money from home and not ever talk to anybody, you can do this and mail postcards. Okay, but you can also accelerate it. If you don't mind answering a few questions here and there, you can market this online as well, or just do online. Either one is fine. Doesn't matter which way you market it, on or off. Okay, if you market it online, I can show you how I do that as well. You know, with a capture page, send people to your page, buy traffic, and let the system do all the selling and telling for you. And you may get a few calls, but it's another way to market it online. Just don't have to be offline, okay? All right, so it shows you here just another illustration of the tidal wave. You can join right here, click here. These are new buttons, so I'm kind of giving you an overview of a new website that they've put together. Click right here, you get more in depth of the comp plan. And there's a 24-hour number. Go ahead and call that number. You can jot it down. That's the number that's going to be on the postcard. So when someone gets the postcard in the mail, they'll call that number, listen to it, see if they're interested as well. So it doesn't matter whether they have a computer or not. They can hear the presentation, okay? $149 one time, guys, and to be able to make $100 over and over and over. The company pays weekly, so you will receive an actual check in the mail. That's how you're going to get paid, via check. Okay, and after you made $600, you're gonna have to fill out a form because they're going to you're gonna file your own taxes, your 1099 for this program. At the end of the year, they will report that if you make over $600, so you will have to fill that out. So this is a real company. Okay, all right, guys. So let me show you that, and we'll come on down. Disclaimer here that they have: there's no guarantees. This is a home-based business. You have to invest in a business. All right. Now, I'm going to show you these buttons up here. Marketing resources. So you have your postcards. Okay. I'm going to show you that. And as it states right here, there's two ways to market this, online or offline. Okay. Or you can do both, guys. All right. And you go here and you can mail, you can order your postcards. Just contact the company we use and get your postcards. Okay, real reasonable. 1,000 postcards are gonna cost you about $72 and some change. Okay, here it is right here. 1,000 postcards, $72.95, and this is one of the templates. I like this one. They have another one in color, but I like this one, and I like yellow. That's just my preference. I like yellow. I like blue. I like white. Okay, so you choose which one, what color you want. But for 1,000, for $72.95, 1,000 cards, it's not bad at all. See right here, your username will be right here. So if someone received the card in the mail, if they have a computer, they just go to this website with your username on the end, and they can see the website that I just showed you. If they don't have a computer, Right here, see the return address? They can call this number, listen to it. They can mail the card back in, which has your username, back to this address. Okay? And the company will send them information. I think it's $2 or $3 that they'll need to put in the mail. I think it's $2. Put in the mail with this card, and the company mails them back a packet so they can get the information. Okay? So that's one of the templates. Here's the other one that's in full color. So you decide which one you want. The full color ones are $96.50 for $1,000. Okay? And you're going to call Ace up and basically give them your username, and they'll get those printed for you, and they will get them out to you within 7 days. Okay? And once you join me, I will provide you some mailing list companies that I use. That's great, that have great fresh leads. Okay, so don't be concerned about where you're going to get more leads from. I'll give you all that once you join. But that's pretty much it in a nutshell, guys. This is the new Easy Profit 100 web page. It looks great. It's eye-popping. It's not too over the top. I think it's just right with the white in the background. It gives it a subtle tone. Okay. Not too flashy, and then you see some $100 bills, because that's what you will make, $100 bills every time you refer someone. So, Easy Profit 100, go ahead and join with me. $149 one time. If you want to just market it online, just pay $149 online. Get with me, and then I'll show you how you can do just the online. But if you want to order the postcards, go ahead and join for $149, and then order your cards off the same website. Okay? And then you'll mail those postcards. So when you hit join, let me just show you that real quick. Make sure it says the sponsor is Postcard Diva. That's me. That way you know you joined me. Okay? So you can do it there. I'm going to show you another place. He has it in a couple different places. You can hit join up here. Okay? Or you can come down. You can click join right here. It's going to be the same end result. Just want to show you where that is. See, and it still says Postcard Diva, so make sure you see that before you complete this information. Okay, and then I think there's another one at the bottom. So click any of these join buttons. I think all the yellow ones. Let's go down further. Click right here to join also. Okay, so it looks like there's 3 places. Oh, there's 4. 4 different places that you can click. Oh, and there's my number at the bottom. So he's changed it. It used to be at the top. He used to have it up here. So that's another way you can make sure you're on my page, okay? All the way at the bottom. I just lost it. Where did it go? Right here. Okay, so right before you join at the end, see, that's the home office information. Right here is my information. So check right here to make sure you're on the right page to join. Okay, I look forward to you guys joining me. Feel free to watch. Go ahead and go through my funnel, and read over this website, get some clarity. Then contact me with any questions that you may have. My number will be listed below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that button to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay. Thank you guys for tuning in. I look forward to you joining the team, and you guys have a blessed day. See you on the inside.